Squiggy writes, I picked up an Ultra 310X over the black FX SVHO and couldn't be happier. Question, best scratch remover. Got some dock rash while feeling on the black plastic. All right, natural black plastic that's not treated, that's not polished. You really can't get those. You can't fill them in. You can't smooth them out. You're screwed. All right. You can shine up your natural black plastic, and hopefully the glossy, syrupy finish on the on the plastic will look good, but you're not going to be able to get those scuffs out. Now, if you have like the tops of the mirrors of the sea view, okay, those are gloss or a smooth plastic. A rubbing compound like a mild boat or gel coat grit rubbing compound, that'll work great. And then you use a polishing with a smooth pad, and you buff it out like a blue pad, or is it blue or white? Crap, I forgot my foam pads. All right. Lemon Pledge. I don't know about that one. That's a lemon. Well.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.